the sun, the source of life. But for one planet, the source of its demise. The temperatures climbed. The vast fields of ice at its poles melted, and the oceans rose. Centuries later, few people remain on this planet once called Earth. Among them, a man who still searches, and a small child who carries the secret to a new beginning. In this place they know only as WaterWorld.
Tune in Friday, September 18th for the 2-hour season premiere of WaterWorld Survival Challenge. You're not going to want to miss it. Episode 1, we're going to build it, we're going to move on to it, we're going to live on it. Make sure you hit that bell notification and tell a friend, because this is going to be epic. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there. Fowler out.
That's how you need to wake up every morning.